The greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. And then one day, one magic day, he came my way. And as we spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me: the great